Hello and welcome to my foundation stick makeup hack video. I use a lot of foundation stick for my face painting and body painting videos on this YouTube channel. This is a brand new foundation stick which has not been used. You would think this is how much foundation stick makeup you are buying. Let's look at how much foundation stick you are actually getting for your money. That is it. That's it. This is all the foundation stick you are getting above this plastic makeup cylinder. When you use up the foundation stick, it looks like this. No more will come out. Yet, there is more foundation stick below in the makeup cylinder. So, do not toss the cylinder out yet, because there is a hack. So, all these foundation sticks have been used up above the makeup cylinder. Let's see how much foundation stick I can hack out of these makeup cylinders and place in this small container. Let's begin this hack. As you can see, there is extra foundation makeup below in the cylinder, which could have been wasted, and foundation sticks are expensive. So I would say this is a beneficial makeup hack. If this video was helpful, click the like button, and also please check out my face painting and body painting videos on this YouTube channel, and please subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.